In front of me is OPPO F19, and today I would like to show you how you can remove Google search bar from home screen. Begin by holding your search bar and waiting for remove pop-up to show. When it does, click on it. Then tap on remove widget in the pop-up. You can also just hold your device's screen and tap on this remove icon at the top right corner of your search bar. Lastly, confirm your choice in the same pop-up as before. Then tap on done at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!